Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple Ghanaian cuisine. This is Etor or mashed plantain. Very easy, and trust me, yes, if I say trust me, then you know something good is in this recipe. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's get started. For this Etor recipe, obviously I'm going to be using ripe plantain, and this plantain I'm using is semi-ripe plantain and not overripe plantain. You can as well use overripe plantain, but it shouldn't be very soft. All right, so next I'm going to be using fermented fish or momone, onions, palm oil, fresh pepper, groundnut paste, eggs, and avocado, which we call it pear in Ghana. So basically this is going to be my ingredients. So now let's get started. So I've washed these plantains off camera, so I'll start off by cutting the edges and creating incisions on it as well, and I'll remove the skin from it. Afterwards, you need to remove any unwanted parts that you don't need from the plantain, just the way you see me doing. All right, while that is done, I'll transfer this into a bowl and I'll wash it again until everything is nice and well clean. I will repeat the same process on all the plantains until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so whilst we are done cutting and washing the plantain, I will transfer everything into my cooking pot. And I was also having some of the plantains off camera, so I also cut them and I added everything to the pot, just the way you see me doing. Alright, I'll go in with some eggs because Etor is always enjoyed with some eggs. I'll go in with some pepper as well. Use any amount of pepper that you want. Add some water to it. Go in with some salt, just a little bit of salt. Cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. Some people choose not to cook their pepper, but I just want to reduce the heat a little bit, so I'll go ahead to cook it, and after it's ready I'll remove it and grind it. So to a clean asanka, I'll go in with some chopped onions and I'll use my Etor to grind until I reach the perfect consistency that I want. Whilst we're grinding our onions, don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Also click on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after the onions is very smooth now, I also go in with my roasted momone or fermented fish. I will grind it alongside with the onions until it's also smooth, just the way you see it on the screens right now. Now I am back to check on my pot, which is on fire, and everything is okay now. So I remove the pepper and I'll grind it alongside with the onions and the fermented fish. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Whilst the pepper is also ready, I'll go in with my groundnut paste and I'll grind everything together until the peanut butter incorporates very well with the rest of the ingredients. Remember as well to check in for salt before you go in with your plantain, because the fermented fish can sometimes be okay if you don't go in with any salt. Alright, so after going in with the salt, I'll also add in the plantain one after the other, And I'll also mash it until I get the perfect consistency that I want. Some people love to mash their plantain very smooth, but I don't really love that. So the perfect consistency that you want, just mash your plantain until you reach there. All right, so now let's mash this until everything is nice and well incorporated. With mashing this as well, you also want to make sure every ingredient is really coming together very nicely with the plantain. After it's about 80 to 90% mashed, you have to go in with the palm oil. If you don't want to go in with the palm oil as well, you can also omit it. All right, I'll mash everything together just the way you see it on your screens right now, and at this point everything is all done and set. So I'll bring everything together and our Etor is ready. So now all that is left is for you to garnish it with anything that you want. For me, I garnished mine with some spring onions, chopped onions, avocados or pear, and don't forget as well to add some eggs as well, and you are good to go. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian cuisine, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.